Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Mariah. If you're new here, I upload every Wednesday and Saturday. Make sure to also follow me on Instagram at Mariah Nicole with 2 A's and 2 E's, and welcome to my Monday. I just got out of the gym, as you can see I'm all sweaty. I just got out of the gym. I'm about to head over to the grocery store because I need to get groceries. But also I forgot to hit confirm yesterday on my groceries to go. So now I need to go in the grocery store and actually do the grocery shopping. I might try to vlog a little, but I'm also just trying to get it done quick because I don't really want to do it, but it's fine. I'll just go in, get it done. So that's what's up. It's Monday morning. I'm doing a week in my life, so happy Monday. Good morning, guys. I just realized my camera was still in my car. So it's like 10:50 and I am getting ready for work. I have to work at 12, so I just like did my hair and makeup, but I'm just still chilling. Yeah, it's Tuesday. Dylan's playing video games. He has the day off today, but he actually has to go like register his car and stuff, so he's gonna do that while I go to work. I just work 12 to 4, so nothing too crazy. And then I think we're having dinner tonight as a fam. I was just telling them about our day. Oh. Yeah. Nothing too crazy. Just playing some Apex. I just straightened my hair for the first time.
Really?
I think it's cute.
Oh, it is cute. I don't notice things like that.
You say you didn't notice? But yeah. I'm trying to decide what to bring for lunch. Last time I literally just did a smoothie and apple and peanut butter, so I might do that again. So I didn't get too hungry. I'm all ready for work now, and I have my smoothie. So good, and I'm gonna drive to work. It's 12 o'clock. I have to be there 12:15. I work till 4. So probably won't vlog much, but yeah, happy Tuesday. That's really boring. Good morning, guys. It is Wednesday and it's 9:32, and Dylan and I are getting ready to go to the gym. So I need a little jacket because it's cold now. I don't know what's up with that, but it was literally so hot the last few days and now it's cold again. Yeah, we're gonna go to the gym, and then Dylan has to register his car today. I think that's really it. We don't really have anything else planned. Yeah, we'll see where the day takes us. No, I just dropped my little clippy. All right, I get to try driving the Kia today. Woo! I need to, oh, I don't have the keys. This car has CarPlay, which I didn't even know was a thing. It's so cool. Do you guys have CarPlay? It's like your iPhone gets attached to the car, and like you have all of your apps on the car, like text, maps, everything, music. It's pretty cool. But yeah, Dylan just went inside to go get stuff so we can just do his registration on our way back from the gym. And my little clip. I was putting it like this. Let's see. And I was like, do you like my little clip? I look like I'm in 2nd grade. Oh, and then it keeps getting stuck. So I always hated these things. But I need it because my hair is so dang short. So I have to put it like in the back to hold my hairs up. This clip is so pointless. I'm just chatting for the heck of it. Alright, I'm gonna drive the car to the gym. Good morning, guys. Why do I have my sunglasses on inside? well, because I was about to leave, but it is Thursday morning. I realized this vlog has been like really kind of boring. It's like very much a real life week in my life. We've just been like working and going to the gym and doing like adult things, like trying to register cars and stuff. But Jill and I weren't really feeling the gym this morning, so we're gonna go for a walk right now. And that's pretty much all I had to say. So we're gonna go for a walk, and then maybe I'll pick up the camera later if we do something later. I know we have his sister's soccer game at 4:30. That's about it. Maybe I'll tan because I look a little pale again. Oh, I don't have any tanner. I need to order more. We're on our way. On our way to Dylan's sister's soccer game, and it's raining.
I have a cute umbrella.
He does have the cute umbrella. They're both mine though, so actually that one's probably Mimi's, honestly.
I just gotta, if Lily ever watches these things, hey Lily, play a sport that's indoors. Jeez.
Both soccer games we've tried to come to, it's rained.
Yeah.
So.
There's no bueno.
No. No, cheers, bye-bye. Wait, I think you can... No. Having a little date night. So we're having a little date night. Hi guys, so it is Friday. As you saw, I got up early and went to, well, I just kind of woke up, but I was up early and went to the gym before I have to go to work today. It's like almost 11:45. I have to work at 12:15 until 8:30. You can tell I'm really excited about it, but I'm gonna get ready to leave for work. I already like made food to bring because I just had breakfast at like 10:30 because I went to the gym. So I'm not hungry. I'm not gonna be that hungry for like lunch, so I'll probably eat around like 3, and then I packed like a little wrap for dinner, but I'll probably eat again when I get home at 8:30. So I don't know, it's a weird day when I work like this. Not that I've done it. Anyway, it doesn't matter. Point of the story is I'm getting ready to go to work. I think I'm gonna go get a coffee at Aroma Joe's because I have like a little free drink thing. So yeah, I think I'm gonna do that before I go, and then I'm gonna be working all day. The only plus side to working this job is like when no one's in there, I'm gonna edit videos. Hopefully it won't be too busy. I'll load if it's busy, then it'll go by faster, but whatever. Dylan's at work and he gets out at 6, I get out at 8:30, so just that real week in our life, you know? Like and subscribe for crazy content like this. Hi guys, I completely forgot to pick up the camera this morning, but I am wearing sunglasses inside again. I am on my way. What am I saying? It's Saturday. Happy Saturday. I'm going apple picking with Haley and Dana. I'll try to get a few clips. I don't really know. Sometimes I forget when I'm with friends because you're just like living in the moment, doing the thing, picking the apples. But yeah, I have a cute little outfit on. Sorry, my room's a mess, but you can kind of see I have a skirt and my little top, and yeah. It's like 80 degrees out, so I was trying to be fall, but also like it's 80 degrees. This clip's really chaotic. I feel really chaotic right now. I need to go downstairs and find some shoes. We got our donuts. You look naked.
I literally look freaking naked.
I'm eating them in the parking lot. Hi guys, it is Sunday morning now, and I've showed this like a million times, but I just got a Loving Tan order in, and they just always have the cutest little packaging. And then I just got more tanning mousse, which I get the deluxe bronzing mousse in dark. Sometimes I get ultra dark, but I just got dark, and then I needed a new applicator. So I just go on and find, they actually sent me a code this time, but you can find YouTubers that work with Loving Tan to get a free mitt. So that's what I do. So you get a free mitt, and the Loving Tan is like, I think it's 35. So 35 or 40. I think the ultra dark's 40, and this is 35. So yeah, it's Sunday. I'm gonna tan, get my life together, and yeah.